Hi Fabian.
Alles gut?
What's up? Welcome to our BILSTEIN workshop in Papenburg. So Ralph, what's your special task in today's driving test? We're already right in front of the Corpus Delicti. We're doing a driving tuning for the new BMW 3 Series. What exactly do you want to change about the BMW 3 Series? We want to create more comfort while still achieving greater sportiness and a maximum in lower suspension setting. And what exactly is your task in this BILSTEIN driving test? Well, we want to create the perfect solution for each vehicle individually. Our BMW 3 Series, which we have here today, or an M3 of course, needs to be individually tuned very differently. How do you give the damper a specific setting? We looked for the cover disc and reduced it by 1/500th of its original size. Then we went on and opened the bypass a little bit in the pressure stage. And in effect, the lower speed range should become a little bit more comfortable. How do you go about this? What needs to be exchanged? Here we have our shim assembly. Then the shim assembly will be laid out. We'll exchange it for a 2825. Then we'll go to our spring washer board, look for the 2825, and complete our setup of the shims. How much lower did we get with the new suspension? Well, let's measure it now. We'll measure from the bottom of the rim. We know we have 600 millimeters, so based on the series values, I know that we've reached a lowering of 50 millimeters. Cool. Now I'd like to know how it drives. Can we hit the track? Certainly. The car basically stays exactly level all the time, regardless of whether you brake hard or are in a bend like now where I'm properly pushed into the seat. The car stays absolutely level. We're seeing it firsthand. It allows for a superb and absolutely safe driving on the racetrack. It stays so stable and it feels like you know what you're doing and that the car is doing it. This is awesome. Glad you like it.